Okay, so let's learn a new subtopic, 7.2, acid-base titration. So this subtopic is a bit something that you're familiar with because you've done your lab test. And then banyak yang awal ni, the definition, describe the titration process and distinguish between endpoint and equivalent point. Yang ini, I know, sekacang dulu untuk kamu kan. Okay, so here I'm just going to describe a bit. So what is actually a titration? Is a procedure for determining the concentration of a solution using another solution of known concentration called standard solution. So titration ni, bila kita kata nak determine the concentration of a solution, so we're going to have two solution actually. Satu known concentration which is called standard solution. Lepas tu ada lagi satu solution ni yang kita tak tahu, dia unknown concentration. Okay, so later I'm just gonna describe. So actually ada solution ni sebenarnya senang kita label it as titrant and analyte. So titrant ni is the solution added from the burette. So dalam burette ni ada solution kan. So this is what we call titrant. And then we know the volume and concentration. So selalunya kita akan isi sampailah kita dapat dekat atas kali ni 0.00 lah. And then usually dalam ni it's in the bottle reagent ada bagi tahu what is the concentration. And then you know the volume dia lah, the initial volume. Then you minus to get the volume used for the neutralization. Okay, lagi satu solution ni. So titrant ni selalunya dalam titrant ni lah kita akan guna kita punya standard solution, which is the known concentration. Okay, and then the analyte, because remember titration ni nak determine the concentration of unknown concentration. So the unknown concentration will be in your analyte. So analyte is the solution that going to be titrated in the conical flask. So this is your analyte ataupun titrant. Okay, it could be known concentration but unknown volume ataupun known volume but unknown concentration. But mostly in our experiment yang kita banyak guna lah known volume but unknown concentration. For example, ada yang kita buat dalam conical flask ni 25 ml, ada yang 15 ml. So this is the analyte yang kita tak tahulah. Usually this is the one that we're going to find the concentration. Okay, next kita akan tengok the definition pula lah. So, equivalent point adalah the point at which the amount of acid and base present exactly neutralize one another. So, yang itu adalah definition dia, mesti beritahu macam ni je lah. Okay, then end point is actually the point when the indicator change color. So, nak bagi tahu the reaction dah end. Okay, what reaction yang end tu is actually the neutralization reaction. Okay. So, next what we're going to look at is the calculation. Okay, why? Because later on, we're going to look at the, we're going to look at titration curve. Tapi macam mana titration curve tu occur? First, I'm just going to explain. Nak kira calculation from your strong acid and base titration dulu.